As promised, we are back this year at Lytham Tennis Club for more grass court clinics.
Step in with your left foot and meet it. That's it. There's your forehand volley.
We've just done this clinic, it's good, it's 4 hours, it's a grass court clinic, learning how, because it's Wimbledon time, learning to play on grass, doing lots of slices, lots of approach shots, lots of volleys. Greg was here, working together at Lytham Tennis Club. You had a good time?
Yeah, it's been great.
Learned lots?
Yeah, it's good.
Not you, I learned lots from you, you learned lots from me. It was good, all the pupils had a great time. We're going to do it again, and we're going to do lots of other things next year, like kids clinics on grass, adult grass court clinics, any other things. We're going to do Olympics, we're going to do mini Davis Cup, we're going to do loads of things.
Now, if you approach the net from the baseline, your first volley will be here.
These are highly focused, one-day clinics to improve your tennis game. All our students come away with lots of great tips, as you will hear.
You all know the grip now, that closed racket face, right? So if you look at, when I swing forwards now, if you look how my racket face is closed, it means it's facing the floor a bit, there. If your racket face comes through like that, you see, you won't be able to see that shot that Steve played. You won't dip, it'll go deep in the court.
What is the aim of today, Greg, actually?
Understand doubles play, to make sure everyone knows what they're doing on a grass court.
Yeah.
Not a lot of clubs have got grass courts, so keeping the ball very low. Certain shots are different to a clay court or hard court. Yeah, it's a lot of net game.
How's today gone?
It's gone really well actually, and I have learned a lot of things that I was doing wrong that I thought I was doing right. So it's been very educational.
Open feet means open. Yeah, you can. Yeah, you can do that. You can do that. You wouldn't just go that.
I enjoyed the cross court.
Yeah.
Doubles.
Yes.
That was good.
Does anybody know what's going on?
Got it. I've got it.
Just so.
I've got it now.
I thought it was difficult teaching tennis in London, but this is different.
Yeah, great day. A lot of information to take on board and practice. Yeah, it's a good.
Throw it up, rack it up, hit, out. Throw it up, and good. Play on, move in.
It was good where he's got us to mix up all the time, changing courts, playing with different partners, different people. Yeah. That was good.
Good.
Good variety of activities, changing drills and so on.
With your racket up, right? Look, hit, rack it up, volley, yeah?
I actually need some lessons. Desperately.
Right, Steve. Steve, come and get the prize. Oh, round of applause. Picture.
Oh, thank you.
Special Bergerac rosé.
All right, well, you're spoiling me.
That's right.
Thank you.
Come, if you want.